Shalom, shalom, shalom. First and foremost, I want to start off by giving all honor, praise, and glory to Yahweh, Ba'ashem Yahweh Shah, Waha, Kudash, Ka. Double honors to the apostles and elders of Great Millstone who rule well of Yasha Allah, the true elders of Yasha Allah. Yasha Allah being Hebrew for Israel. It's your brother Shariah Nawasah Shaman coming back, and pretty much we're going into another part of clove. So we did the clove buds, we got the clove oil. You can use the clove oil. This is the brand I use. This is the best brand you should consider, because you're dealing with a brother who's using it and esteeming it is working. So don't try your own thing. Use what's recommended. All right, because this is what works for me. Now I had the tooth removed. All right, and that's actually also the medication I use to heal this hole that was in my mouth, because I was not prescribed by a doctor for any type of pain relief or anything, Lo and behold, this is what they use. The dentists use, They use clove paste. Now, with that being said, you could take your clove oil, and get you a gauze. And you could get you like a little bowl or something like that, which I'll get in a second. And you will have to dilute it with a carrier oil, because this stuff is very, very strong. It'll burn you. It'll burn your gums, man. It'll burn it, Not only numb the nerve, but it will burn it, man. And you can mix it with a carrier oil, such as coconut oil. I started off using it originally with olive oil, Knocked it straight out, man. Straight out. So, that's pretty much it on that. Let me get this, 1 second. So you can probably pour you a couple doses in here, a couple drops. You could do like three drops of the clove oil, Maybe 5, depending on how potent you want it. But the more of the clove that's in it, the more intense it's gonna be. So it could possibly burn your gums, man. And then you'll put probably like a few drops of whatever carrier oil you prefer, all right? But as I said, this is what I use to actually heal my tooth being pulled, all right? So it's a perfect. It's great at numbing. It's great at healing, cleaning, etc., man. So that's pretty much it on it. And I'm gonna get this really quick. Going into this. This is clove. It says, and you could use clove for multiple things, man. But Lord will not come back. I could do a lesson on this clove. Let's see. It says, it's a multifunctional herb, aka spice, It says cloves are traditionally used in Indian, Chinese medicine, as well as Western herbalism and dentistry. Clove can be found in several forms, including oil, which is said to be very potent, tablets and vitamins and powder. But I'm only recommending to you brothers the oil, Usually used for cooking, and it could be found in paste or lotion form and applied to cuts, bruises, swelling, or any area that has pain. It was one of the Native American herbal remedies. Okay, so yeah, so the so-called Native American Indians, the Gadites, the Reubenites, they use this, man, because this is a part of the Israelite heritage. Let me see if I can get this really quick, okay? So this is Psalms 104 and 14. It says, He causeth the grass to grow for the cattle, an herb for the service of man, that he may bring forth food out of the earth. So the Lord, he put herbs here for the service of man, man. That's pretty much it. It was something else I was going to say, but, that's pretty much it, man. So you could use this clove oil, You know, get you some gauzes, and then you can like I said, get you something like this, mix it up in. I pretty much have it as a tincture, so I could drop it in a hole or around the area. But the gauze is working better. You know, sometimes you just want to switch it up. You just take the gauze, probably fold it up, and put it in there. Oh, for brothers who probably have had 2 surgeries, you know, upon watching this lesson, you could just take it, dab it in there, fold it to the size of the space that you're missing your tooth in, your tooth at, and you could just just sit it right in the pocket and just bite down on it, and then you can actually take another one and fold it and put it on on your gum, and it's gonna numb the whole thing, man. You just keep doing that to the heel. So Lord, when it's been edifying, man, I'm gonna give all honor, praise, and glory to Yahweh Bashem Yahweh Shai, Wahakadash Rakah, double honors to the apostles and elders of Great Millstone, the true elders of Yashala, who rule well. You brothers keep teaching this truth and pushing it, man. We're almost up out of here. Shalom, man.